welcome to Flavors of Happiness. Today we are going to make an eggless version of the classic Black Forest cake that has layers of moist chocolate sponge topped with soft whipped cream and cherries. For me, this Black Forest cake is a creamy chocolate cherry dream. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. To make Black Forest cake, take 2 6-inch baking mold, grease them with oil and sprinkle some all-purpose flour on them. Line them with parchment paper. Keep them aside and start preheating your oven to 170 degrees Celsius. Now take a bowl and a sieve and add 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of granulated sugar powdered. Sift it. Then add half cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. Keep it aside. In a separate bowl, add 1 cup of milk at room temperature and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Mix it well. Then let it rest for 5 minutes. Now add half cup of refined oil and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Give it a good mix. Now add the wet mixture into the dry mixture, little at a time. Fold the batter gently until you get a homogeneous mixture. Lastly, add 2 tablespoons of water. Fold the batter one last time until combined. Cake batter is ready. Transfer it equally into the prepared baking molds. Tap them a couple of times. Bake them in the preheated oven for 25 minutes. While the cakes are baking, let's prepare the cherry syrup. So take a saucepan and add 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of sugar and half cup of chopped cherries. I am using sweet cherries, so 1 tablespoon of sugar is enough. In case you are using sour cherries, add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix it well and let it come to boil. Once the mixture starts boiling, lower the flame and let it simmer for 2 minutes. Cherry syrup is done. Transfer the syrup and the cherries into separate bowls and keep it aside. Our cakes are done and have cooled down for 10 minutes, so let's unmold them. Run a knife through the edges. Remove the cake on a wired rack. Let the cakes rest in the refrigerator for 45 minutes. You can make a 2-layered or a 4-layered cake. I am going to make it 4-layered. So slice both the cakes like this. Remove the top part. Now first apply the cherry syrup. Apply the whipped cream. Watch my video of chocolate overload layered cake for the recipe of whipped cream. Add the cherries. Place the next layer. Follow the same process of applying cherry syrup, whipped cream and cherry pieces on each layer. Finally, place the top layer. Apply the syrup. Apply the cream on top as well as on the sides. Now we will apply chocolate shavings on the sides of the cake. I am using semi-sweet dark chocolate. Do check the description box for tips on how to shave chocolate like this. With the leftover whipped cream, let's make some large flowers. I am using the large star nozzle. Add thinly sliced semi-sweet dark chocolate at the center. Lastly, add cherries on the flowers. The cake is done. Refrigerate it for an hour before serving. Creamy chocolatey Black Forest cake is ready to be served. The cake stays good in the refrigerator for up to a week. I'll see you next week with another such recipe. Till then, happy cooking!